It is a fact. At least once in your life, your sink will clog. It just happens, no matter if it is in the bathroom or kitchen. Not everybody loves doing the dishes, and many times it is a boring chore. When the sink clogs, it makes you feel like you can't win that day. Isn't it right? And when you brush your teeth and your sink fills with water? But don't worry. Learn how to unclog your sinks with easy methods and few items that will uncomplicate your day. 1. How to unclog a sink full of water. You can apply this trick to your laundry sink or bathroom sink. You will need an empty bucket and gloves. Put on your gloves and position the bucket right under the drain. Remove the siphon, that folded pipe under the sink, from the drain. Let all water and dirt fall into the bucket. Put the siphon back in the sink. Discard the contents of the bucket and check if your sink is working correctly. It is done. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. 2. How to unclog a sink full of food residues. Use this trick on your kitchen sink. You will need a big empty bucket, gloves, and a hose. Put on your gloves and position the bucket right under the drain. Remove the food residues from the sink. Remove the siphon from the drain. Let all water and dirt fall into the bucket. If you notice food residue still inside the drain, use the hose without water to push them into the bucket. Now put the siphon back on the sink. 3. How to unclog a sink full of hair. Try this on your bathroom sink. You will need tweezers and gloves. Put on your gloves and use tweezers, the one you use on your eyebrows is okay, to remove the hair inside the drain. If the sink flows, it means the clogging was only superficial. If it still clogs, use the first method we showed. Try it and share your experience with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.